Hey everyone, today I'm excited to talk about the Yencoly low oil sensor alarm replacement designed specifically for Honda GX series engines. This product is a game changer for anyone who owns a Honda GX 160, GX 200, GX 240, GX 270, GX 340, or GX 390 trimmer or lawn mower. First off, let's talk about durability. The sensor is crafted from high-quality metal material, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use without faltering. It's built tough to last long, giving you peace of mind knowing your equipment is in good hands. Installation couldn't be easier. With its design tailored to match original factory specifications, swapping out your old sensor for this one is a breeze. No need to worry about compatibility issues or complex installations. It's a perfect fit right out of the box. Now, let's dive into performance. This sensor boasts stable characteristics and high reliability, meaning you can trust it to accurately detect low oil levels and alert you promptly. With such a crucial role in maintaining engine health, having a dependable oil sensor is non-negotiable, and this product delivers just that. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're rocking a GX 160 with 5.5 HP or a GX 390 with 13 HP, this sensor has you covered. It's designed to work seamlessly across the entire GX series lineup, ensuring you can rely on it regardless of your engine size. In summary, the Yencoly low oil sensor alarm replacement is a must-have accessory for Honda GX series owners. Its durable construction, easy installation, and reliable performance make it a standout choice for maintaining your equipment's health. Don't let low oil levels catch you off guard. Invest in this sensor and ensure your engines run smoothly for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.